Good morning, Miss. I will wait just for 2 minutes for the others to join and then we'll start, okay? Because I started before 11, so some of them didn't join yet. Okay, Miss. Good morning again. First of all, let me talk about what we have explained last week. Before the vacation, we were explaining the descriptive paragraph and the parts of a descriptive paragraph. How do we write a descriptive paragraph and the guidelines? So let me just first tell you something very important. This week you are going to have, لأنه you don't have a quiz this week, راح يكون في عندكم 2 graded homework and one 2 graded homework, yes, and one flip grid. Okay, بس أكيد you have enough time to do them يعني. The first graded homework is the worksheet that you have on the application, which is a writing worksheet. It's going to be graded. يعني when you solve it, when you finish it, send it to me. Send it to me on WhatsApp لأنه I have to correct it and put a grade. This is a writing quiz. حيعتبر. Other than the writing quiz that you are going to have later, this is a graded homework. يعني a graded writing homework. The second homework that you have is that you are going to use the vocabulary words of this lesson in sentences, not all of them, 3 words only in sentences. كمان this is a graded homework. And you have 1 flip grid which is dictation. Okay, هلا الفليب grid you have 1 whole week to do it. يعني I will upload it today, حيكون معكم till next Tuesday to upload it. Okay, so don't worry. أما homework vocabulary you have till tomorrow. يعني I want it today after the live session. Well, writing homework, which is the descriptive paragraph, you have till Friday. Okay, if you have any question, raise your hand concerning these 3 things that I have mentioned now. Yes, Karim.
Miss, what are the first 2 topics, Miss? Because صوتي كان عم بيقطش. I didn't hear them very well. The first 2 things about Tuesday and something.
نحن we have a homework for tomorrow. The homework for tomorrow is to use the vocabulary words of this lesson. يعني هيدول, the ones that we are going to explain today. يعني I'm going to tell you, choose the 3 words and use each one in a sentence only. Is this difficult? I allowed you to unmute yourselves in case you have anything to say.
No, Miss, it's not.
Okay, that's it. 3 words. Choose. مثلا أنت you will choose application, catastrophic computations. Somebody else will deduce, will choose.
So, Miss, I should only write 3 sentences. 3 sentences.
Only.
يعني مش
yes.
يعني ما في worksheet. أنا من عندي بكتب لك يوم ببعث لك يوم WhatsApp يعني.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is the first task. The second task. على application there is a worksheet for this week, right? Yes. This worksheet is a graded homework. يعني it's going to be graded.
Miss, but will we send it like on WhatsApp or
on WhatsApp? Yes.
نسمع نعبي الفيجر كمان.
Of course.
Writing
Of course. Yes, of course. You fill in the figure, you write a very short descriptive paragraph. That's it. معكم from now till Friday. Okay, يعني how many days? 4 days. Okay?
Okay.
Clear? هيدا task number 2. Task number 3, you have 1 whole week to do it, which is very silly and very simple. وهيدولي extra marks for you for free رح يكون, which is the flip grid. You are going to have a dictation. احذروا بشو?
What?
In these vocabulary words. يعني in 8 words only. Not sentences, words. يعني you are going to record a video writing the word application, the word catastrophic, the word computations, the word deployed, the word elevating, the word magnetic, the word obsolete, the word subsequently.
That's so easy.
Only. Okay?
While filming, we put it on the piece of paper for 10 seconds, or do we just
exactly? You put it when you finish on the and you just set your camera on the paper for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, so that I can correct it at the end. But the point is, this semester in the English department, no one is going to have a paragraph as dictation. We are just going to have words to make it easier for you. Okay?
Okay.
Is it easy? Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Really easy.
Yeah.
Okay, and what I'm going to do is I will write for you the words in the flip grid. يعني you are going to find them. يعني I will record a video writing the following words as a dictation, وbetween brackets هيكون عندكم the words, okay? So someone can just read them for you.
Miss, can I please read them?
But wait, let me just finish my points. Is everything clear concerning the 3 tasks for this week?
Yes.
Today, after the live session, you are going to send me your homework, choosing 3 words and writing 3 sentences. اتفقنا?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, great. Let's now start with our lesson.
Miss الورك شيت هنحلها كلها مش هيك؟
worksheet ما في worksheet هي writing prompt أصلا. You have to fill in the web or write a descriptive paragraph. That's it.
Okay, we have this, you said, till Thursday, مش هيك؟
Yes.
We'll flip grid till Friday.
Flipgrid till next Tuesday. You have 1 week.
Okay.
Miss, the writing also on WhatsApp.
What?
The writing, we should also send it on WhatsApp.
Yes, yes, yes.
But will you tell us about what we're gonna write it?
You
Or
will
we
see
should
the
choose.
worksheet. It's written in the worksheet.
Oh, okay, Miss.
The prompt is in the worksheet. Okay, hello. When I finish, I will send you a summary on WhatsApp. Don't worry, on the group. So our lesson this week is about the tools of the explorer's trade. يعني, our lesson is going to introduce to us the tools that the explorers used to use in order to explore new things, to discover new things. Okay? So we are going to discover today new things also. So first of all, we're going to introduce the big topic orally. We're going to introduce the new theme, introduce the vocabulary words, read the words aloud and correctly, identify the genre, introduce the comprehension skill. Let's see. First of all, the essential question here says, how have tools used for exploration evolved over time? How these tools developed over time? Of course, you know, the tools that were used a very long time ago in order to discover are different than the tools that we use nowadays, or the scientists or explorers use nowadays, right? Right?
Right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Yes.
today we are going to discover new ways of exploration. Let's read this very short explanation, or it tells us about a certain tool which have developed and what happened. I want someone to read, please. Yes, Samia.
Beber Weibo Explorer. Though I'm only about 10 feet below the surface, being at the controls of the sub-scooter makes exploring the warm Indian Ocean waters a remarkable experience.
Yeah, you know what is a sub
I've
scooter
always
made?
wanted to get close
You know what is a
to
sub
sea
scooter?
creatures in their natural habitats.
Yeah, a sub scooter is like it's like it's a submarine in which you can get into it. Yeah, and it's like a glass. It's like glass from outside, and you can see everything in the ocean through this machine, or through this vehicle. It's a kind of vehicles anyways. So I've always wanted to get close to the sea creatures in their natural habitats, but diving and snorkeling equipment seemed complicated and difficult. So this way is much easier, as you can see, and it's more fun, more interesting than diving, I think. Continue, Samia.
The application of simple submarine technology to a familiar scooter design lets me move around and discover at my own pace.
So you can move around using this sub scooter and discover everything in the ocean, other than and instead of diving and so on. Continue.
This new tool for shallow water exploration has opened up a whole new world for me.
So this has
to me.
opened a new world to everyone who likes to explore the ocean, who likes to see what's there in the ocean and so on. So this is a new tool to discover. Okay, maybe a long time ago people used to dive and wear so many equipment and so on. Now you can just use this sub scooter in order to discover the ocean and see whatever you want. Okay, here in this slide you can see some of the of the tools that might be used to discover the ocean, maybe, and many other things, a telescope or something, other things to discover the space and so on. Okay, let's start. Karim, you wanted to read the vocabulary. Start with the first one, please.
Okay, miss.
Yeah.
Application, catastrophic, computations, deployed, elevating, magnetic, obsolete, subsequently.
Okay, Karim, I want you to start reading the first sentence in the vocabulary and try to explain it to us, please, through context.
The instructions for raising a tent seemed easy, but their application was difficult.
Yes.
So what I understood from this sentence, they wanted an instructions for raising a tent, but the instruction manual with this application, it was really hard.
Very good. So it's to apply something.
Applications like an app you use to do something or
So
to
it's to apply something.
anything.
So when you to apply this thing was difficult. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. The second word, who would do it, please, by raising your hands? Adam Kondakji, do it, please. Read the sentence. Yalla ya Adam.
Yes, miss.
Yalla Adam. The second sentence.
Catastrophic.
Yes.
The mudslide.
The mudslide.
The mudslide was catastrophic for many towns in the area.
Okay. If you look at the picture, what can you see? Is it a proper place? Is it normal or it's destroyed?
Destroyed.
So what do you mean by catastrophic?
A destroyed place?
Not a destroyed place, but like a disastrous place, something which something which is caused by a disaster. So it's catastrophic, it's disastrous, it's destructive. Okay?
Okay.
Let's move to the third word. Hassan Zaidan.
Miss me?
Hassan Zaidan.
Yes.
Yalla read, please.
To monitor progress, they performed computations using the what is
The
it?
data collected.
The data collected.
So to monitor progress, let's read the question. Maybe it makes it clear for us. What is a tool commonly used to perform computations? What do you usually use to perform computations? What do you mean by computations? To monitor progress, to watch this progress, to see this progress, they used computations, they performed computations. Yani, what did they do? How do you know that your company is making progress? How? Yes, Samia.
You calculate.
You calculate, excellent. So when I say computations, it means I'm doing a certain calculation, right? It means I'm doing a certain calculation in order to watch or to monitor this progress. So computations and the calculations, what do you usually use in order to calculate? What do you usually use? A calculator. Number 3, number 4. Number 4.
Can I do it?
Who will read number 4, please? Other than Samia, I will choose. I want someone who haven't shared yet. Carlo, aren't you in grade 7? Carlo? Yes, Lamar? Lamar Shahab?
Yes, miss. Deployed. The injury safe conduction during the event, the police chief deployed additional officers.
Yes. So, to ensure safe conditions during the event, the police chief deployed additional officers. What do you mean by deployed?
Added more officers.
Added, very good, or asked for, very good, or hired more officers, very good. Elevating, Julia?
Can I do elevating?
Yeah.
Elevating. One of the doctor's recommendations was elevating his leg while it healed.
Very good. So what do you mean by elevating? Look at the picture.
Making it higher, putting it up.
Very good. As if you're lying down, yani, okay? Okay, magnetic. Who will do this, please? Yes, yes, Zain. Zain Atwe.
Yes, miss.
يلا يا زين. Magnetic.
Magnetic because of its magnetic properties, a certain type of phone attacks objects containing iron.
So, because of its magnetic properties, a certain type of I can't see the word. Attracts objects containing iron. So, what do you mean by magnetic? What do you mean by?
It's a type of material that sticks to metal.
Very good. It's a magnet that catches or holds or attracts iron. Very good. Obsolete. يلا, who will do obsolete? Salman? Salman?
Steam engineer trains are now virtually obsolete.
Okay, so steam engine trains are now virtually obsolete. Let me ask you a question. Can you find nowadays steam engine trains anymore? Or they are rare?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you please repeat the question?
Can we nowadays find steam engine trains anymore, or they are very rare?
Rare, kind of rare.
They are rare, and you cannot find them. So they are almost extinct and they are obsolete. You cannot find them everywhere. This is what we mean by obsolete.
Okay, miss, thank you.
Yeah, subsequently. Who will do subsequently, please? Hassan Fouane.
Yes, miss.
Yes, the last one.
The stock was performing poorly, so we doubted it would subsequently improve.
The stock was performing poorly, so we doubted it would subsequently improve. So what do you mean by subsequently? If practicing hard once helped you win, how would you subsequently prepare for games? What do you mean by subsequently? Look at the graph. When I say
Yes,
subsequently,
it's going
do
higher.
we mean directly or step by step?
Step by step, definitely.
Yeah, so what I might mean step by step. This is what you mean by subsequently. Let's now move to the meanings of the words. Alice, can you read, please?
Yes, miss. Catastrophic is sudden and disastrous.
Ali, read all of them, please.
Application, the act of putting something to use. Computations, calculations that are determined by using mathematics. Deployed, strategically arranged or distributed for a specific purpose. Elevating, raising it to a higher position. Magnetic, draws iron, steels, and other metal objects toward it. Obsolete, something that is out of date and no longer used. Subsequently occurring or following in time or
Okay, Ali, thank you. So these were the meanings of the vocabulary words. Now let's move to the genre of the text. The genre of the text is expository. And as we said before, the expository text is informational. Who can explain to us, what do we mean by informational? When I say informational text, what does that mean? Yes, Rama, explain to us, please.
Yes, yani it's giving us information about a certain thing, like that, yani. Giving us information.
Very good. So the informational text is a text that gives information. Very good. It provides the reader with information. Okay. Very good, guys. So let's now move to after we finish the genre. Okay, let's now move to the features of the informational text. Who can tell me, how do we know that this text is informational? How can I tell that? Please, guys.
Because they're getting information about things. Miss, like from the text, maybe I don't know.
Yes, I couldn't hear you.
Miss, I said it from the text, maybe I don't, I'm not really sure.
Okay, but we mean the features. What do they give you? They give you information, they give you statistics maybe, they might give you certain numbers, certain whatever, yani they can give you many things that show you that this is an informational text, right? Yes?
Yes, miss.
These are the features. As you can see, they can also give you a certain graph, a certain statistic, a certain anything that shows that this is an informational text. Okay, so the slide bars, the graphs, the numbers, all of these are called informational texts, features of an informational text. Okay, guys. Anyways, now we are done for today. I will send you on the WhatsApp group now the tasks exactly what you have to do one by one. And thank you all for attending. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, miss.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
Bye, miss.
Thank you.